Hey Lake of the Ozarks, Ryan Schaffner here with the Jason Wood All-Pro team, and I'm excited to show you our newest listing in Porto, Cima. Come on, let's go check out 328 Turnbridge. When you're at the lake, you want the best lakeside amenities, and this house has them. You can relax at the heated saltwater pool, hang out by the lakeside flagstone patio with staired lake access, or get out on the water with your cruiser dock that has a 16 by 48 foot slip and a 16 by 52 foot slip. You will love the space this home has to offer. It features over 5,300 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and big lake views from almost every room in the house. If you'd like more information about this awesome property, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we will schedule a private showing for you. Thank you and have a great day.